Good morning all, my name is Dinesh and I am from CSC department A section. This is my Python concept video. Topic is loops. Python programming language provides two types of loops to handle looping requirements. A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or a group of statements multiple times. Python provides three ways for executing the loops. While the ways provide similar basic functionality, they differ in their syntax and condition checking time. And the two types of loops are for loop and while loop. Going deep into for loop, the for loop in Python is used to iterate the statements or part of the program several times. It is frequently used to traverse the data structures like list, tuple, or dictionary. Syntax: for iterating where in sequence statements, write a program to print 1 to 10 series. Example: I equal to 1. For I in range 0 to 11, print I. Output will be the numbers between 0 to 11 including 0. To print multiplication table, here the syntax for that: I equal to 0, n equal to into input, in strings enter number. As a string we write the statement as enter number. For I in range 0 to 11, print the percentage d into percentage d equal to percentage d. Output will be enter number 6 into 0 0. Here we have the table of 6. Program to iterating string using for loop. Example: string is equal to Python. For I in string, print I. Output will be Python, Python. Program to iterate through a list using indexing. Indexing is a method which starts with 0 and from the reverse order it starts with negative numbers. Here is the example: city equal to Bhopal, Indore, Gwalior, Ujjain, Sagar, and hash iterate over the list using index. For I in range len of city, print I go to city. The output will be I go to Bhopal, I go to Indore, I go to Gwalior, I go to Ujjain, and I go to Sagar. While loop. In Python, while loop is used to execute a block of statements repeatedly until a given condition is true. And when the condition becomes false, the line immediately after the loop in the program is executed. Here, while loop repeats a statement or group of statements while a given condition is true. It tests the condition before executing the loop body. The syntax is as follows: while comes first, and the next is the condition, and it is colon, under that body of while. All the statements indented by the same number of character spaces after the programming construct are considered to be a part of single block of code. Python uses indentation as its method of grouping statements. Here, while loop, if the condition is correct, the loop is executed. If the condition is false, the line immediately after the loop in the program is executed. Program. Here is the program to print 1 to 5 series. Example: I equal to 1 while I less than 6 colon read I equal to I plus 1. Output will be 1 2 3 4 5. Program to print list in reverse order. Example: student 1, student 2, student 3 are in the list as an elements. Using while, we have while a colon statement, and by using the method pop, here we have a dot pop of -1. The output is student 3 comes first, and next student 2, after that student 1. Using if statement with while loop. Example: n equal to 10 while n greater than 10. n equal to n minus 1. If true, print n. The output is 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Using else statement with while loop. As discussed above, while loop executes the block until the condition is satisfied. When the condition becomes false, the statement immediately after the loop is executed. We discussed it above. The else clause is only executed when your while condition becomes false. If you break out of the loop, or if an exception is raised, it won't be executed. Python supports to have an else statement associated with a loop statement. If the else statement is used with a while loop, the else statement is executed when the condition becomes false. The syntax is while expression colon statements else additional statements. Program to print series with else statement. And here is the example: count t equal to 0 while count less than 5. print count less than 5, count equal to count plus 1, else print count is not less than 5. Output is 0 is less than 5, 1 is less than 5, 2 is less than 5, 3 is less than 5, 4, 5 is not less than 5. Find even odd number. Number equal to 2, while number less than 10, column hash, it is a single line comment, find the mod of 2. If number percentage 2 equal to 0, print the number plus string number plus is even. It is a concatenation. Next, else print the number plus string number is odd. Increment number by 1. Number equals to number plus 1, and the output is the number 2 is even, the number 3 is odd, the number 4 is even, number 5 odd, 6 even, 7 odd, 8 even, and the number 9 is odd. Nested loops. We can use one or more loop inside any other while loop file or do while loop. I equal to 2, print prime number while I less than 15, j equal to 2, while j less than equal to I by j. If not, I percentage by j colon break j equal to j plus 1, that is j plus equal to 1. If j greater than I less than by j, print I equal to I plus 1, and prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 7, 11, 13. And here is the program syntax for printing a pattern that is given. Example, while I less than equal to 5, j equal to 5, while j greater than equal to I, print j n equal to j minus 1, j minus equal to 1, and j plus equal to 1, print empty parenthesis, and the output will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5. Program to print given below pattern. Example, rows equal to into input, enter the rows column inside the parenthesis and the comment hash. Outer loop will print number of rows. Try in range 0, rows plus 1. Hash in inner loop will print number of asterisks. For j in range of I, print star double quotations and equal to print, and the output will be stars, star 1, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4, and so on. Program to print given pattern. Rows equal to into input, enter the rows, for I in range 0 comma rows plus 1, for j in range I, print I comma n equal to print close parenthesis output 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 4 5 5 5 5. Just like if the single statement while block, just like the if block, if the while block consists of a single statement, we can declare the entire loop in a single line as shown. Note: it is suggested not to use this type of loops as it is never ending infinite loop where the condition is always true and we have to forcefully terminate the compiler. Thank you.